We have here the Four of Air energy. It looks like this is you. You could be trying to ask yourself, no? Or you're questioning here yourself. Bakit parang kahit anong gawin kong pilit na makalimutan, pwedeng isang sitwasyon ito or tao ito, bakit hindi ko ito magawang makalimot-limutan, no? And I think with the Four of Air energy, this is the type of pause. This is a type of break right here, no? Pero parang kahit na lumipas na yung mga oras and pwedeng panahon, bakit parang hindi ko siya makalimutan? Anong meron? Bakit parang hindi ko magawa fully na makalimutan itong situation na to or itong tao na to, no? So, let us find out here, no? What is this all about, no? So that we can get a clear message, no? So I hope makakuha tayo ng clear messages coming from Archangel Michael and our angel guides. Thank you so much for palagi ang presence sa reading ng aking mga nakshits. And oh, I'm hearing that song. I'll be home soon. Yan, no? So kung sino man tong energy na to mga babes, no? Possible na meron kayong gustong umuwi. May gusto kayo rito na makabalik sa inyong life, no? Or baka ito yung hindi nyo makalimot-limutan, no? At posibleng tangan-tangan na nitong ating reading ang sagot. Bakit? 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 In English, why? Yan, no? So, alamin natin yan all together. No. A lot of soul-to-soul, energy-to-energy connection ang makikita ko dito. King of Earth, Patience energy, or the Temperance right here in the Messenger to the King of Earth energy. Could be age gap then, different sa inyong dalawa. Someone could be younger than the other or the other is older than the other. Pero, okay, doesn't have to be na malayo yung age gap. Pero possible na may difference dito. Might be age, might be height, might be, no, sa iba ninyo ditong mga pag-uugali or what, no. But there's something here that I'm seeing, no. Pero wait muna. Let me finish ang ating pag-lay ng ating energy sa ating table. But the heart or center of the reading is the temperance energy. We have the Six of Earth or the Six of Coins, Two of Water, and the Justice. Bottom of the deck here for you guys is the Ace of Fire, 3 and... Oh, okay. Ace of Fire, 3 of Fire, in the Eight of Earth. Look at that. Eight of Earth energy. This is a violin. Yan. I'm gonna explain it, no, kung ba't yan yung pinaka mas napapansin ko, no, the image itself, I'm gonna tell you later. But first, hi and hello sa ating mga bagong viewers, sa mga new subscribers. My name is Yan, welcome po. And you can also bring your other friends and loved ones here, your jowa, your crush, your special person, your family, kasi baka meant to hear din nila yung mga messages na nakapaloob dito sa channel na to. Thank you so much din sa aking mga tambayers. Walang kasawa-sawang tumatambay 24/7. Thank you so much. No, at kung hindi niyo pa sa mga mahal na meron pa po tayong main channel, no, The High Priestess Tarot, kung saan nag-upload din tayo, hindi lang ng mga daily collective readings, meron din tayong monthly reading, no, for all signs, no, and meron rin tayong mga reading per zodiac sign if that's what you want, no. By the way, etong reading ninyo na to, no, since alam ko naman na pasalit-salit lang kayo sa magkabila kong channel, others of you, you could be dealing here with a Virgo, but doesn't have to be. Pwede rin naman na may Virgo placements kayo sa inyong natal or birth chart that you do not know, or maybe this person here, hindi nyo alam na mayroon siyang Virgo placement sa kanyang natal or birth chart, no? Kasi you might want to take yung pagpanood ng aking Virgo reading kahapon, mga babes, no? So, dun yung sa other channel, no? Kasi baka makaresonate din kayo. Pero yun nga, you could be dealing here with any zodiac sign. Na-mention ko lang bakit kasi mga babes, no? Tutumbukin ko na kagad ito. Kung kaninong reading ito mga babes, so nakikita ko no, na nagmamahalan pa kayo ng inyong ex. And that is something here that you do not know. Even the other person or your ex, no, hindi niya rin alam, no, na mahal mo pa siya, no, at ikaw, hindi mo rin alam, no, na mahal ka pa rin niya. So, ano nga ba mangyayari rito? No, so, nakikita ko rito, there are a lot of, Seven of Cups energy, Page of Swords energy, yan, no? May mga maraming soul-to-soul connection, like nagliliparan, no? Na soul-to-soul connection, this magnetic field, no? Of soul connection, no? Is getting larger and larger, no? So, yung iba naman, no? Energetically speaking, no? This person here is energetically connecting to yours, and you are also connecting sa kanyang energy, no? Without you even knowing it, no? Hindi na kailangan sabihin na, "Uy, inisip kita." Ah, talaga? Yan, no? So, wala nang ganun. But I think with this Nine of Wands energy, you are still holding on. Yan, no? Hold on, baby, hold on. Yan, no? So, ang taray. I think you are both holding on because I'm getting, no, ang inyo ritong shared energies with the Nine of Fire energy. You're still holding on to what? You're still holding on to that, no, subconsciously, no, na what if magkabalikan pa kami? What if kami talaga ang destined for each other? And what if sabihin ko sa inyo na, High Priestess energy, Three of Earth energy, you still, ano, ano, parehas nyo pa rin nakikita ang isa't isa. You still look at each other. You still look up at each other even though there's a separation, even though is meron na ritong pagkakahiwalay, even though hindi kayo nag-uusap because the High Priestess right here is an indication that there is silent, no, mode kayong dalawa. Excuse me. But we've got number two. You could be seeing a lot of number twos. You could be seeing a lot of pairs, no? So you could be seeing a lot of couples everywhere, no? And this is you. You are someone here, no, na nakita ng maraming number twos. And if this is not you, this could be your ex-person right here, no? So, marami kayo nakikitang pares. Pares dyan ng sapatos, tsinelas, no? Paglakad mong ganun sa palengke, nakakita ka ng mga tsinelas, sapatos, magpa-partner, no? Sumakay ka ng jeep, transportation, may mga nakita ka ng mga couples everywhere, no? They are in pair, no? Pati mga gamit, no? Yan, mga, alam mo yung nakikita mo pares lagi, no? And you could be also seeing a lot of number twos. Basta number two, kahit hindi tatlong two, no? Kahit ano pa yan, pwedeng single number twos, no? Ibig sabihin lang nun, no? This person right here is literally your soulmate, no? You are soulmates of each other, no? So, nakita ko dito that you both still thinking each other, even though you're not saying or you're not uttering any word, there's no communication online, there's no telephone calls, there's no handphone cellular calls, there's no text messages going back and forth, walang nagliliparang mga messages sa 3D world, but more likely, ito ay nangyayari saan? Sa 5D world, no? The world of the unknown, no? So ito ay malinaw that there's still strong magnetic attraction. Both of you are still attracted with each other, but there's no talk. You know? There's no communication, there's no something here na nangyayari like evidence ng pag-uusap in the 3D world or ngayon sa reality kung saan nag-uusap tayo. Like you're telling me, Miss Yanya, tama ka, hindi ko i-deny sa'yo kasi natumbok dyan na mahal ko pa rin si ex and I'm waiting for him or her but hindi ako nag-chat sa kanya, nahihiya akong mauna or whatever, no? But still, waiting pa rin ako for him or her. Exactly. Because you are mirroring your person din dito. Kasi ganun din yung ginagawa niya rito. No? So, both of you still longs for each other and I love the fact that you both appear here as coins. No? Earth here ay pentacles or coins in the classic tarot. Meaning to say, this is you, both of you, okay, nakikita ko rito, no, na parehas pa ring pure and sincere ang inyong love for each other, and this patience right at the center or heart of your reading, no, which is intersecting this shared energy ninyo na nine of fire energy. This is the type of energy that you are both in this type of mode, that you are waiting for that divine timing, no, for the universe to cross, no, your paths right here. Waiting kayo both, no, parehas kayo, naghihintay rito, no, sa kung kailan kayo muling pagtatagpuin ni universe dito, no? And universe right here, of course, is someone here na nakikita ko na minamando ito, no? So nakikita ko dito that the universe is orchestrating this, and I'm picking up, no, na medyo tama na yung panahon ng inyo ritong paghihintay, and I'm seeing two people, no, na magkikita kayo ulit, no? See? Harapan na kayo rito, no? Lilingon mo na lang siya rito mga babes, no? Wala tayong gender dito, so babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch yung mga roles, pero kahit i-switch ninyo, ikot-ikot lang yung energy. Parehas kayo ng feelings and emotions ng taong iti. Okay? So, nakikita ko yun dito very evidently. And what I love about this one is with the Six of Earth energy, Two of Air energy, I mean the Two of Water, but I've just mentioned Two of Air. So, even though this is you, no, Two of Air is the Two of Swords, no? Kaya natin yun na-mention kasi parang parehas kayo rito na aalangan kung may chance pa ba kayo rito magkabalikan, no? Or kung masusuklian pa ba yung feelings ng isa't isa. So, hindi ko na nakita ano ba yung naging dahilan ng inyong separation. Hindi na yun pinakita kasi lumalabas dito. Hindi na yun importante sa inyong dalawa. What important ngayon is that you two can go back, no, sa isa't isa, and yun ang nagmamatter. That's all that matters, yan, no? So, nakita natin dito with the Six of Earth energy, Two of Water. Nakita ko dito that both of you, no, ay willing na, mag-reciprocate yung mga waves. I'm sorry kung nahilo kayo. Nasagi ko kasi yung aking phone, no. So, na both of you, kung magre-reciprocate pa ba kayo, or you will to get back together, like, as magjowa dito, no, or as couple, as in relationship, no, well, magle-level up pa nga kamo because justice here means commitment, no, and I'm seeing 11, so you could be seeing a lot of 11-11s everywhere sa inyong clock, sa sa mga nakikita ninyong numbers, mga nakapost dyan, no, sa bulletin boards, no, sa mga what else? Sa mga electronic boards, no? Sa inyo ritong mga nakikitang mga ads, no? Sa cellphone, and sa inyo ritong mga biyahe, yan, no? You could be seeing as well 11-11 sa mga plate numbers, no? Or just by, browsing here, no? Everywhere, no? Your eyes, no? During your free time, no? So, nakikita ko rito that you are really being taken into each other arms, no? Back again. So, nakita natin with the Justice card energy, this is more meaningful. This getting back together is more meaningful than before. And this is being raised into the level of higher level, which means if this connection is just a relationship before, this is now being taken to somewhat more serious, which is what we called commitment. Yan, no? So, nakikita natin yun dito. Mga babes, no, yan, with the Ace of Fire energy, Three of Fire, Eight of Earth energy, kagaya ng binanggit ko sa inyo kanina, this violin right here, no, alam natin na pag nakarinig tayo ng violin, very relaxing, di ba? Kahit na hindi kayo fan ng mga theater mode, ng mga orchestra mode, kahit nakakatulog kayo pag naririnig nyo yan, pero anong nararamdaman ninyo? Napakakalmado lang pag nakakarinig kayo niya, na parang paggalit kayo, stress kayo, no, kakatulog kayo. Kasi very relaxing, very comforting, no? Meaning to say, this relationship, when you go back to each other, no, this is something here na mararamdaman mo na very comforting na. Very comfortable ka na rito sa relationship na to. And both will be working on this relationship to grow and to expand and to stay, no? Mag-permanent dito, no? And that's what's gonna happen sa inyong future without you even knowing it, no? And the Ace of Fire energy, this pagtatagpo, no, will definitely magpapaalab dito 'no ng spark ulit sa muli ninyong pagkikita 'no, and how can you be able to see each other once again 'no? Maraming ways dito sa universe 'no, pero nakita tayo rito 'no, ng puwedeng paano kayo pagtagpuin muli 'no. So, nakita ko rito 'no, na puwedeng ito ay through an old friend. 'Yan 'no. Meron ditong gagamiting kasangkapan si universe, like this person here will be used by the universe to materialize this pagtatagpo. So, nakakita tayo rito na posibleng parehas ninyong kilala. It's like an old friend that you both know 'no, ang nakikita ko na magiging bridge 'no, para muli kayong magtagpo 'no. And this pagtatagpo 'no is definitely you're not gonna wait for quite longer anymore, because I'm seeing that yung iba nangyari na 'to just recently, others I'm feeling like it just happened just last week 'no. Kaya naman 'no, it's the start of something here fresh, something new 'no. Hindi 'to agad-agad na magfo-flow, na talagang magfa-fly-fly, 'di ba, na ito na agad magkakabalikan na agad kami minsan or whatsoever 'no. So, considering the fact that you've been separated 'no, kailangan ninyo rito ng adjustment 'no, but everything will flow just naturally at nakikita ko na magiging okay din ang lahat up until 'no, you get back with each other 'no. So, ulitin ko lang, hindi ko mga babes 'no, sinasabi na makipagbalikan kayo sa inyong ex 'no, but if this is you, you feel like something, that there's something here 'no, na posibleng you're still in love and that you're destined for each other, then you feel like your other person is feeling the same way too, then that's it, no? Tama ka, kasi ganun din siya sa'yo, you know? I think yun yung gustong iparating sa'yo ni universe dito, that you need to prepare yourself because you are being mirrored by your destined person. So, yan mga basic for some reason nakakuha tayo dito ng two initials. Pwedeng meron siya dito or kayong letter S, and baka yung iba naman ay may letter A. So, yun mga babes, no, yan. Just take how this resonates. So, thank you so much again. I'm your Yana on me. Sarang hiyo, love and light. And